Good morning. I'll get this right. I know I will. This is Barbara from Arkansas. And I've had it's only Tuesday, and yesterday was a very eventful day. I went to the doctor and found out after all the doctors I've seen and all the uh, possibilities, maybe they could find something to help me walk and drive and stuff. But they said there wasn't anything they can do and that I was on the right medicine and it was something I just have to deal with. So I'm done with doctors for a while, I'm telling you. But yesterday I was, went up the sign into the doctor's, the little thing where you sign in when you walk into an office. And she had little pens, something like this, with a little push button. I've seen them with pencils, but I've never seen them with pens. And she had them glued right at the top there, underneath the little push thing. And they were just so cute. Makes you happy to sign in the doctor's office. But so I went after my sister went for PT. And so when she got out, she picked me up and we went to her house, and Ron had gotten some fajitas because Marsha always has fajitas on Monday. So we had fajitas. And then Marsha showed me some things she's working on in the apartment. She's getting ready for the traveling nurses. And she said, I need to go to the General Dollar store. And I said, okay, I'll go with you. But I guess I'd have to. I was in her car. Because I hadn't got home yet. But anyway, so I walked around, picked up, a few things, Kleenex, and, little things that you don't think to ask someone to get for you at the grocery store. I guess I'm going to try to figure out how to get someone to take me to the grocery store and see if I can do that. But anyway. And so I decided that I would pick up a couple of these poinsettias. Now these are five of them. They got glitter on them. Can you see? Okay. And these were $1 for 5. And I said, well, that's cool. I could make 5 pens. And then I could give them to somebody. Well, I keep one for myself, I guess. Not unless I had 6 friends come by. Then I'd have to go buy another one. But anyway, I'm going to try and see if it works today. So I got my little trusty trimmer things. And so I'm going to do the one here that doesn't have any leaves. See? So I guess I'll cut it right there. And see if that works on the pen. Like that. And then I'll put the tape. Oh, so I just got some Scotch tape on me. They call it invisible tape. And I can't ever open these. See how they are? They got these little things on there. I know I'll use my old trusty screwdriver here. See if I can get that off there. And pull that out. Well, I don't know how to do it. How do you get that loose? Oh, I see. I think you gotta cut it. See here? I think I have to cut a little bit right there. Anyway. Well, that's not gonna get it all, so I'll keep working on it. There, I got it. No, I didn't. I thought I did. There we go. See if I can keep it on that side now so I can grab it. My hands don't work as well as I wish they would, but that's okay. I can do this. I know I can. So I'm going to cut this little end off. There. Well, I can't. I didn't get any scissors. I guess I should have got scissors for that. But anyway, so we're going to try to put this on here. So I'm going to put that right like... And I'll get some scissors and cut this off. And maybe I'll put another piece of tape on it too. Well, it is red, so I guess I could leave the little things on there. Sorry, my nose is running. I've got a little bit of a, I don't know if it's a cold or just, you know how you cooped up in the house sometimes. And sometimes you get the stuffed up nose. Well, almost. I think it's going to work. Let me see. Dear YouTube people. See, I'm writing with my pen. Okay, let me try it again. Put it on there real good. Of course, the next one will be better because I won't have that extra little debris on there. Okay, here's my little pen. Isn't that cute? Sweet, huh? See? And I can go up and write my name or think about what I'm going to write. Or when I'm really busy doing my homework, I can put it in my hair. Well, I can't get it go. I don't have earring eggs on today, so that could work for right now. That'd be hard with my hearing aids because this little wire sticks out, you know. But anyway, I think I'm going to make 5 of them, if I have enough pens. There's another pen here. Let's see if it writes. You know, it's amazing. You can have 1,000 pens in your house and 20,000 in your purse. Not really, but you know what I'm talking about. And every time you need a pen, you can't find one. You don't have your purse with you. You don't know where you put that last pen, the good one that still writes. And then you say, okay, I'm going to go through them and throw away the ones that don't work, right? But then you're writing, and it's writing, and all of a sudden it stops writing. You think, oh, I'm going to throw it away. And you try one more time. You put it in there, and you go, oh, man, it's still writing. So then you put it in a box. And you pull it out again another time, and it don't work. You know, I guess I'm just a hopeful person. If it has a little bit of writing in it, it still has hope to write something I want to write down. But anyway, okay, there's one. I think that'd be cool. And then I'll do this one's red. This is from St. Bernard's Heart and Vascular. That's my heart doctors up in Jonesboro. They were so good to me. They saved my life. They really did. And like they save everybody's life. I'm not anything special. But I didn't know I was having heart problems. You know, I just knew I couldn't walk around very well without just getting totally exhausted. And I mean, I never had any like pain or anything like that. But I had like 97% blockage. And they had to put 2 stents together, they said, to get that completely open. And then they had to put another one in. And they said I was just a walking time bomb. Well, I knew I was exciting and adventurous, but never thought of myself as a time bomb. But anyway, they put me in the hospital after they did the stents. But I just never can pass that stress test after that, because, you know, every once in a while they check me. I think they probably, I don't know if they want to take care of me or they just need to buy their wife a new car. I really don't know, but it doesn't matter as long as I'm okay. And I keep going, you know. I sure do want a car. I sure do want to drive. I sure do want to walk, like to Walmart or something. But with the results yesterday, I'm just going to have to change my life a little bit. Which, I don't know where I'm going with it. You know, when you're like me, old, and, you know what I really miss is my garden. You should have seen my place up in the hills. I had every kind of plant blooming year-round or something blooming, even in the winter, I'm telling you. Oh, well, it was a beautiful place, and I loved it very much. And but this little RV is really working out pretty good. Today my awning's out. There's no rain today, so the sun is just beautiful. I put some food in a bird feeder this morning, which turned out really, really good. And I think today I'll probably make these pencils for a while. And I still didn't get my Bible study done early this morning because I was trying to make Connor, my little dog, a crocheted vest to wear. But I just don't have the right colors for him. He's a red puppy. And I have gray and orange. And then I do have sort of like a baby blue, but I do not think I have enough of it. So, and I'm just going to stitch it where it's long enough to go around in the first line of stitching. And then just single crochet on the back of each stitch, which will give it that accordion look, and then I can it will give real easily to put it on. And so I was just going to make one to go around the body, and then usually little girls, I like to put a little ruffle around the necks, that's always so cute, or ruffles around the bottom, with crochet, the trim. But him being a little boy, I don't know if people really know if he's a girl or boy. Yeah, they would know. So I have to get a different color of yarn. It just seems like every time I want to do something, I don't have the right color yarn. I still have that yarn that Janice bought me for a bonnet. It came from Arkansas Yarns out those Hot Springs or Malvern, Arkansas. And it's a pack you get. And let's see, did I put it over there? I need to show that to you. Hang on just. Okay, let me show this to you. You see, it says Arkansas Yarn Company hat kit. I don't know, I guess that's reverse. You couldn't see it. Okay, and then you open it up. And it comes with its own little pom-pom. Is that cute? And look at it, got a little Arkansas with a flower on it. The packaging, I don't know if you can see it. Cute. And this is the yarn. Isn't that beautiful? It's called Shiver, which I guess you'd wear when you are shivering, but it'd be a beautiful, beautiful hat. I don't see where there's pattern, so I'll have to use my old-fashioned pattern that I use for a toboggan. Yeah, this is really pretty stuff. Hand-dyed Shiver. It's 100% merino wool, machine washable, wash with colors, dry away from the sun. This is made in Ireland. You believe that? Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty. Now, I think this is lighter than the 4 weight. Let's see what this one doesn't say. This probably would be better if it was knitted. Crochet, that would be a really tiny hook to get it where it gives, when you're making it. But anyway, that's my project that I'll have to do. As soon as I finish the other projects, or when I get tired of them, then I'll come to this one here. And today, I won't keep you a few more minutes. But today, I got a package from Mary. She's the lady that brings me my meals on wheels. And she brought this bag of, it looks like chocolate, sugar, drizzled popcorn. I don't see any nuts. Homemade, it looks like. It looks like she's put little pellets or something in it of chocolate. Looks pretty darn good. And then some little cheese cookies. Looks like she's made those. Isn't that adorable? I know you can't see them. There you go. Those cute wrappers. Oh, and what's this called? Ranch? Whatever mix. So anyway, I've got lots of snacks. Yes, I sure do. I was talking to my sister yesterday, the one in Texas. And I got to show you. I'll try to put it on this video. I may put it on another video. Well, I'll just wait and put it on another video because I think I've already used my minutes up. So, anyway, have a great day. Make your pencil. Makes you feel important and elegant. And you could write that extra Christmas card you didn't think of mailing because you didn't think if it didn't have them on your list. And then they send you a card. So, anyway, have a great day. I think that's adorable.